the auxiliary / emergency spillway. You'll recall that spillway was the one that was being used to reduce the lake level because of the damage with the regular spillway. The DWR folks were quite concerned about that because it was eroding the land back towards the face of the spillway at a rapid rate. When they were asked what would happen if it got to the face of the spillway, there was significant concern that it would compromise the spillway and perhaps result in a substantial release of water downstream. In talking with DWR, they couldn't tell us with certainty how long that might occur and what would result, but there was the potential for catastrophic failure, which would have put thousands of lives in danger. As a result of that information, talking with my other public safety partners, we made the decision that we were going to order the evacuation of the Oroville area and the areas south. We decided that we couldn't wait to see if the situation became more stable or resolved itself, because if we did it, we wouldn't have had enough time to get people out. So it was a tough decision, but it was a decision that had to be made, and I decided to err on the side of caution and start the evacuation process. Since then, I just got another update, which the DWR folks indicated to me that the rate in which that cut was eroding back towards the face of the spillway was not as rapid as what they initially thought it would be. That's a good thing because it has slowed them. So in order to try to prevent a catastrophic failure, they began to release 100,000 cubic feet per second of water down the regular but damaged spillway in an effort to lower the lake level below the area, below what was needed for the emergency spillway, and thereby relieve pressure on that. I am told that that is working and that the lake is dropping, and the last bit of information I had was that there was only about 2 inches of water going over the auxiliary / emergency spillway. That will help stabilize the situation, but I'm not confident that it will remove the threat or the danger. So we are going to continue with this evacuation order until I can be assured that the integrity of the spillway is intact, and that we aren't putting thousands of lives at risk.
Sheriff,
there is another effort being made to shore up the integrity of that eroded area, and that would involve the use of helicopters to drop bags of rock into the crevice to prevent any further erosion. At this point, that's all the information I have. We have another briefing at 9 p.m., and I'm trying to get some additional information from there. Okay?
Sheriff, I know